Unlocking the power of Bandura's learning theory. Imagine a child learning to tie their shoes just by watching someone else. This simple act represents a profound concept in psychology, Bandura's learning theory. It revolutionized how we understand learning, proving that observation can be just as powerful as direct experience. Bandura's theory emphasizes two key ways people learn: by observing others and by engaging in first-hand experiences. Educators have a significant role in shaping these learning environments, making this theory essential knowledge for anyone working with learners of any age. Bandura's groundbreaking research showed that observation isn't passive, it's dynamic. When learners watch someone perform a task, they absorb behaviors, attitudes, and even emotional reactions. The observed individual becomes a role model, influencing how learners interpret and replicate actions. For educators, this means modeling positive behaviors matters. Teaching isn't just about talking, it's about showing. Consider how your actions and reactions can serve as a blueprint for your students, fostering empathy, curiosity, and problem-solving. Observation doesn't just stop at seeing. According to Bandura, learners analyze actions, predict outcomes, and then model behaviors. This is how imitation plays a pivotal role in growth. For example, students learn collaboration by watching peers or teachers engage in teamwork. Use this insight to encourage active modeling in your classroom. Demonstrate how tasks are done, and then allow students to replicate them. Whether group work or hands-on exercises, modeling builds confidence and solidifies learning. Bandura emphasized that reinforcement, both positive and negative, affects whether behaviors are repeated. When learners see actions lead to desirable outcomes, such as praise or success, they are more likely to emulate them. On the other hand, observing negative consequences can discourage unwanted behaviors. As educators, you can reinforce positive behaviors by celebrating achievements and providing constructive feedback. Highlight examples of perseverance and ethical behavior while creating consequences that teach rather than punish. Reinforcement strengthens the link between observation, imitation, and positive actions. Integrate Bandura's learning theory into your teaching strategies with simple yet effective practices. Start by being a consistent role model. Demonstrate behaviors like effective communication, time management, and inspired curiosity. Let your actions echo the lessons you teach. Encourage peer-to-peer learning by having students model behaviors for one another. From group discussions to student-led projects, create opportunities for learners to observe, imitate, and internalize positive habits. When students teach and learn together, the impact can be profound. Bandura also noted that learning involves reflection. Encourage students to think critically about what they observe and experience. Ask questions like, "What did you learn by watching? How would you do it differently?" Reflection fosters deeper understanding and purposeful imitation. By assigning reflection journals or initiating group dialogues, you help learners process observed behaviors. This gives them an analytical lens to distinguish what actions to replicate and what outcomes to strive for. Bandura's learning theory is a powerful tool, but its success depends on your implementation. Start modeling the values and actions you wish to see in your learners. Encourage observation, support imitation, and foster reflective thinking. Take action today. Transform your teaching practices with Bandura's insights. Your classroom can be a space where students actively learn, absorb, and grow simply by observing the inspiring behaviors modeled around them. Be the catalyst for a lasting educational impact.